Hi, it's Megan here, the insurance editor at Finder.com. Welcome to Finder's Face-Off between two of the most popular car insurance companies, State Farm and Geico. Overall, both companies stay pretty similar in the types of coverage they offer. Both provide the basics, along with extras, like roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and rideshare insurance. However, Geico and State Farm stand apart in different areas. What we've found? Their reputation actually matches up with what each company does best. State Farm shines in customer service through local agents, while Geico actually offers some of the lowest premiums around. And Geico's online experience is better for basic questions and policy updates. But a fun fact, State Farm's telematics app, Drive Safe and Save, works way better than Geico's Drive Easy. Now that you have our mile-long overview, let's dig into the specifics on Geico's and State Farm's price, bundling, customer service, and app experience. If you're shopping for the lowest price car insurance, Geico's got your back. Our insurance team recently pulled quotes for a 30-year-old driver with a clean record. We ran the quotes on a 2021 Toyota Corolla with full coverage, which includes liability, comprehensive, and collision. Drumroll, Geico came out to $121 a month. State Farm's rates? About $182 a month. That's a $60 difference every month, which adds up to over $700 less per year with Geico. This is an example of the power of shopping around for your car insurance. State Farm stands out with its bundling discount, which goes up to 17% if you buy home or renter's insurance along with car insurance. It also offers 20% off if you insure 2 or more cars together. Geico doesn't drop the ball here though. You can get up to 25% off for bundling vehicle policies like your car, motorcycle, boat, or RV. Either way, your final quote after getting the discount is what's the most important. Let's use our sample quotes as an example. Let's say that you're looking to bundle your car and home insurance. With Geico, you might pay $120 a month for car insurance with no bundling discount available. With State Farm, you'd get 17% off your car insurance. But remember that State Farm's rates start out higher in the first place. With the 17% off discount, you'd be left paying around $150 a month. In this example, Geico is still the cheaper option, even though State Farm offers the highest discount. But remember that your quote could come out much different than this sample quote. So it's good to know that Geico works best for bundling different kinds of vehicles, while State Farm is better for bundling car and home insurance. Finding the best car insurance isn't only about getting the cheapest price. You want to balance price with solid protection and service. And service is State Farm's strength. State Farm offers 19,000 local agents to help you get personalized advice about your car insurance. As for other ways to reach customer service, you can call State Farm's General Customer Service line. Or if you have the State Farm app on your iPhone, you can text your agent with questions as well as pay your bill or file claims. State Farm doesn't offer an online chat. Geico also has local agents, but they're usually in major cities. But while State Farm relies on local agents, Geico keeps a more digital approach. You'll find a live chat tool on Geico's contact page, plus a virtual assistant on its website and app to answer basic questions. Like State Farm, you can text a Geico rep if you have the iPhone app, or you can call customer service the traditional way. I know you're wondering, so we'll go through more of the app features in a minute. But first, let's talk customer service ratings. J.D. Power is one of the most reputable rating agencies around, especially for rating insurance companies. In J.D. Power's auto insurance survey, State Farm and Geico are rated similarly for customer satisfaction. But there are a few parts of the U.S. where State Farm clearly wins out for 2021, like New York and the Northwest and Southwest states. On Trustpilot, customers rate State Farm with 1.8 out of 5 stars, while Geico sees a 1.7 star rating. Neither are great ratings, but it's interesting that both companies have similar scores. Last but not least, Finder looks at customer complaints filed with the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. Geico does pretty good on the index. It scored a 0.79 for personal car insurance in 2020. Any number below 1 means the company sees fewer complaints than other companies in the market. But State Farm is the winner. with a score of 0. It saw only a couple of car insurance complaints last year, which is pretty impressive for a major insurance company. Geico is known for its top-rated app. Customers really love being able to update payment info, view their ID cards, file and track claims, and use Geico's virtual assistant. Plus, Geico's app has a gas station finder, car maintenance reminders, and a cool virtual reality tool. State Farm offers the same bill pay, claim filing, and ID card features as Geico's app. And on your iPhone, the app syncs with Siri to pull up your insurance card or check your claim status, which, let's be honest, is a little more practical than a virtual reality tool. That said, both Geico and State Farm get high app ratings. Both have a 4.8 out of 5 stars on the Apple Store. Overall, State Farm and Geico are neck and neck on features for the main app, but not so much for the telematics app. State Farm's Drive Safe and Save gets over 4 out of 5 stars on the Apple and Google Play stores. Those are much higher ratings than Geico's Drive Easy, which gets just over 2 stars. These companies are close when you need basic car insurance with solid service and a user-friendly app. The best one depends on a few specifics that you might be looking for. Geico works well if you're shopping for the lowest rates or if you're bundling insurance on different vehicles, like your car and RV. On the other hand, State Farm works best if you're looking beyond price to customer service ratings. It also works well for bundling car with your home or renter's policy. And if opting into telematics is a selling point, State Farm has a leg up there. What do you think? Which car insurance company is best for you? If you're still undecided, check out the link below to see more features for Geico